Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. Today we're going to go on a little quad adventure, our last quad adventure in Costa Rica, and we're going to go up through the mountains, show you guys a cool area that we've gone before, but we're going to actually go into Nosara this time, so a little bit different of a drive. So we've rented our quads here from Samara Hot Rentals. We rented from them before when we didn't own our quad as well. They have motorbikes, quads, golf carts, cars. Yeah. And that's something we can still help you set up, even though we're not going to be in Costa Rica. So send an email. Shane will get back to you.
They do ATV tours as well, so that's definitely something we can arrange for you if that's what you want to do. And then when you get here, you don't have to worry or think about anything, and it's already set up.
Yeah, so much easier that way. And they've been great. We've worked with them for 6 years, so definitely recommend them. Shayna's brother, first time quadding in Costa Rica.
And I'm so excited. Okay, so it was my brother's 40th birthday a couple months ago, and I wanted to get him some sort of a gift and have it here for him, but I didn't want to get him something physical that I didn't know if he would use or anything like that. So I wanted to make sure to get him something that was going to be a memory and something special we could do together. This is my baby brother. Baby, not so baby, but
not so baby anymore.
We're 13 months apart, so I'm the older one, so I still consider him my little baby brother. So
I'm the better one.
But it's nice that for our last quad adventure in Costa Rica and his first one in Costa Rica, we get to share that together. So super excited.
Awesome.
So yeah, we're gonna get going soon. It is green season, so rain is hit and miss, but it's still fun.
We go rain or shine, it doesn't matter. We will not be cold because it's always warm in Costa Rica, but if it rains, it rains. If it dries up a little bit, then that's even better, but it doesn't matter. It's still fun. We might have to hit some mud and some puddles and rivers and stuff, right?
Get a little dirty.
That's part of the adventure.
Exactly. I hope there's some clear spots though, so we want to get the drone up and show you guys some landscape views from there of us driving around, but we'll see what happens. You can never change the weather. We just go with the flow, and still gonna be fun no matter what, and we're gonna bring you guys along, so let's hit the road. All right, so we're at lookout number 1. Adrian needs a smoke. Stressing him out driving on the highway. He's like, never driven on a road like that before. But yeah, pretty good views up here. I'm gonna have the link with the directions of this route if you guys are renting a quad through us and want to do this exact same trip. There's a restaurant called Sabor de la Montaña. We've been there before. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. It's about halfway up this road. They're closed today, so we're actually going to our favorite Indian restaurant in Nosara. You guys will get to see it, which is Tandoor. We also did a video for them, and we're excited to have some good Indian food. But yeah, so far we've only gotten a light sprinkle, nothing too crazy, and yeah, it's actually nice. It's refreshing. These quads get quite hot, so it's nice to have the rain. But yeah, we'll take off here soon. All right, so we just got to Nosara. Tandoor's right there. We're gonna go have a Indian feast now. We actually avoided most of the rain, which was kind of nice. It's starting to rain now. We did put the ponchos on for a bit, but it never like poured or anything like that, which is good. Now we probably get lots of rain on the way back. We're just taking the normal road back to Samara from Nosara, Guiona's area. But yeah, we're gonna head in here, figure out what we're gonna eat. Also, there's a super comp over here. They didn't sell alcohol here last time. They may now, I'm not sure, but if not, then we can go get a cerveza at the super compro and have that at least.
Priorities.
Yeah.
Priorities.
Exactly. How was that?
It was good, yeah. It was
fun.
a nice, beautiful drive. We've done that same route once before, but it was quite a few years ago, so kind of forgot how nice it is.
Yeah, it's cool to get the drone up too. You guys saw that, which we actually lost it for a bit. We had to stop and then had to search for it. Yeah,
so. Like, oh, good that we have a second one as a backup.
Yeah,
the one that he doesn't fly very much, but he'd be forced to have to fly it then, right?
That'd be a way to force me to do
it.
But yeah, so we're gonna head in here and yeah, I'll show you what we get. Hey, Dorian, how are you? Good. Good.
Get away from my soup.
How is it?
It's good.
Yeah.
Pretty hot.
That's your signature?
Yeah.
So I ordered the tandoori chicken for us to share. Remember having it last time, it was just the best I've ever had. It's not so dry like some of them, but it looks so good.
Perfectly coated.
Yeah. So good. Such good flavor. And yeah, not too dry. It's just like, yeah. And got a medium spice on this, so it's got a little bit of heat. It's really good. I'd drive here every day 45 minutes just to get this. So good. All right, so we just finished up here at Tandoor. It was amazing, as it was the first time we came. Gonna miss this place. Yeah, if you guys are in this area, Samara, Nosara, Nicoya, Carrillo, definitely make the trek out here and come to Tandoor. Food's amazing. The chefs are awesome. We went to the Tamarindo location, and this one, the food just trumps that one. Food in Tamarindo is good, but this one's like elevated next level. But yeah, kind of jinxed us, I think. It's pouring again. It'll be a fun ride back. We're gonna take a little rip through North Guione, show Adrian that area. I'll film it on the GoPro as well as we're going through the streets, so you guys can see what it's like if you haven't watched our other videos of the walkthroughs and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna head out now on a soaked afternoon. It's gonna be fun.
Show me the all damn day. Show me the all damn day. All damn day.
right, so it's been a couple days since our quad adventure. It took us that long to dry out. No, it was we got back and we're so wet. We just went in and dried off, and we didn't do the outro then. What would you think of the quad ride?
It was good.
Yeah.
Yep. Pretty wet at the end of it.
Yeah, as you guys saw.
Yeah.
But we were warm though, at
Yeah.
least, right? It's not like we were cold or anything.
Beautiful
so.
scenery, and yeah, just where we stopped for food, that was awesome.
Yeah, the Indian place is awesome.
Adrian was saying like it's quite shocking when you come down here from North America, BC, in Canada specifically where he's from, and just seeing how red the earth
crazy.
is here, all the dirt and everything like that,
Yeah.
like that rich rusty red color and stuff.
Super soft.
Yeah,
Sand, so
yeah.
super light.
Yeah, exactly. And you haven't saw the drone footage yet, but it's like the contrast of the green and the red. When you
Yeah.
watch the video after
Yeah.
we film this, you'll see it's crazy.
But it's a shock at first when you come and you see the landscape, those colors,
yeah,
right?
Quite colorful.
Yeah. Yeah, and when it rains, the rivers all look like chocolate milk, so it's really cool. It looks like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. It's funny. But yeah, overall, really good ATV ride. Our last one in Costa Rica, as we said, your first one, and overall, it was a fun experience.
It was very, very special for me to be able to spend this time with my brother here in Costa Rica, especially with us moving out of the country soon in 2.5 weeks only. So
Yeah.
for him to have his first time here and us to be able to go do a ATV adventure like that was just awesome. We haven't done anything like fun like
For
that or adventurous since
long
we were
time.
children. So
Yeah.
so that was a big blessing. So
And again, thank you to Samara Hot Rentals for hooking us up with
Yes.
the quads. And again, if you guys need any sort of rentals in the Samara area, you can contact them, contact us through email, and we can send you their contact information. And of course, if you're staying with us at CCAS, so we can hook you up with all that stuff, any sort of adventures you want to do. Also, since the ATV ride, this guy has gotten a tattoo. So he contacted Kendall at Tinta Arts, and he set up a meeting and come up with a design in 3 days of tattooing and paint.
Yeah.
Looks really good though. So if you guys haven't seen that video, the link's in the description below. When I got my tattoo, if you're in Samara, definitely contact Kendall at Tinta Arts and go and get a tattoo when you're here if you're into that. So yeah, it's I like it. It looks really good.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I'm just happy it's done.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll leave the video off there. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come on new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
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 All right, so they just brought us some dessert, a flan. I'm gonna have one bite before Adrian gets into it, and Shayna.
I might have to try a bite.
Little cinnamon.
What's the main flavor?
Cinnamony, and sugary. And then when it rains, the rivers look like milkshake. It's
Yeah.
funny. So yeah, overall we had a really good quad ride.
When it rains, it looks like chocolate milk.
Oh,
Milkshake?
Okay. Yeah, when it rains, the rivers look like milkshake.
Bring all your boys to the yard.
I did that first.
It's chocolate milk, not a milkshake.